Nigeria. I'm tired of being the bigger guy that always takes the high road. I'm petty now, don't tell me to come down off the high hose. Few years ago was poor, didn't have the right hose. The right side of me will spill out, I shouldn't ride those. I'm right close to you, when I pray I let my eyes close. My cousin Blanco gave me shoes, I didn't have the right clothes. Never have an issue with the people that I start close. I try to shine the light everywhere I go, light bulbs. Design the future clear with softwares that analyze.
Go.